Hey Mouseketeers! Today we are going to do another unboxing, but this time we're unboxing an item from Entertainment Earth. As you can see, Entertainment Earth packs things very nicely. You can see inside the box, there's lots of packing material. They even bubble wrapped the item that's in the middle that they shipped. And today we are going to unbox the Alphabet Art Series from Beast Kingdom. It's not guaranteed that you will get them all, but if you do, it spells out the word Disney. So there's 6 in a case, and they are mystery boxes. So they also come in this nice little case here. And then you get 6 figures, 6 mystery figures in the box. Now they all have Mickey on the outside, and then there's 6 different options, but there's also a variant of Mickey himself. So what we're gonna do is unbox all these, and hopefully we get all 6. If not, I'll have to order another case because I want to spell out the word Disney. So I'm just gonna go right into these and open them all up and see what we get. I haven't opened one of these before, so I don't know exactly what to expect, how they're packaged, or anything. So looks like it's pretty nice here. Oh, and then they also come in a mystery bag like everything else. That's mystery. Has Beastly Kingdom printed all over it. And let's tear it open and pull out the figure. Hey, we got the Donald, which Donald is the D in Disney. All right. So we have the Donald. And then looks like the letter then comes in the little bag here. So you take the letter out, you have the stand, and you just press that in, snaps right in. So we have Donald for D. Okay? Donald for D. All right, perfect. All right, oh, and then there's also inside the box a little card telling you what you got here. Luckily, I didn't see that at the beginning, else it would have spoiled my reveal. All right, so I'm gonna go through all these and let's see what we get. So this time I spoiled the reveal and saw one. But this time we got Stitch, and Stitch is the S. So I'm gonna unwrap this really fast. Stick the S in. Oops, wrong way. Stick the S in there. That's actually good because it wouldn't let me snap it in the wrong way. So we have the Stitch S. Perfect. All right. Then we need Mickey, Tigger, Chip and Dale, and Winnie the Pooh. Let's see if we get them all. Spell out the word Disney. There's also a set of these that spell out Pixar. And this one, hey, we got Chip and Dale, so we got the N. That's one thing I like about ordering the cases is that most of the time, not all the time, and hopefully I'm not jinxing it by saying it, most of the time you end up getting all of the figures in the series. All right, so now we have the N. This one is really cute with Chip and Dale on it. And that's the N. So we have Disney. But we need the other letters to finish it out. Okay. I'm trying not to look at the little card that's in the box that tells you which figure you get. Hey, we got Winnie the Pooh. Awesome. So now we have our Y. Awesome, awesome. It's nice. These little bags open right up very easily. You stick in the Y. Okay, perfect. All right. So now we have the Y for Winnie the Pooh. Well, not for Winnie the Pooh, has Winnie the Pooh, spelling out Disney. And we need the I for Mickey and the E with Tigger. All right. Let's see who we got. Tigger! Awesome. Tigger with balloons. So this is the E in Disney. So I'm really hoping that's an I in the next box. All right. We have our E here. Awesome. And these are Disney 100 collection, by the way. They are stamped on the bottom. Disney 100. And it has the mini D stage. And they're from Beast Kingdom. All right. And last one. And just showing you real fast the box here. It does have Mickey. They all have Mickey on them. And I have pictures of these on my website. And you can take a look at that. And for some reason, I can't tear this one open. Last one, can't tear it open. Well, I ended up ripping the box, but that's okay. All right, I'm hoping for an eye. Mickey! Cool. That's why I love buying the case, because 9 times out of 10, you're going to get them all that way. And if you buy them individually, you're going to buy hundreds, sometimes more, and you still never get them all. That's happened with pens and other stuff for us. So now we have the eye. Awesome. And that is Mickey. All right. So my cameraman, hopefully you'll zoom in on these. And we have D-I-S-N-E-Y, Disney. And again, these are sold on Entertainment Earth. I have links on my website, and I'll put links in the description below. And you can buy them all. They spell out Disney. I'll put pricing and information there as well. And I hope you enjoy this unboxing, and hopefully you'll check out Entertainment Earth and maybe even buy yourself a set. Okay? And as always, Mouseketeers, thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe by clicking the button below. And I'll see you real soon.